Alright guys, welcome to my putting gas tutorial. So first off, the reason you're at a gas station is because you're out of gas. You first have to locate this nice little hatch right here, called your gas hatch right here. You want to open it gently, pry it open with nice 2 fingers, get a nice grip there and open it. Be careful because some older vehicles you can just snap it right off by whacking it too hard. Next, what you want to do is open the screw cap until it clicks, and then you just pop it right open. And just let it hang there if you have one of these rubber things. What you want to do next is get your mom's debit card. Thank you, Mom, for sponsoring this video. And you want to put it in according to the nice little tags. There we go. The screen will tell you how to process. Input your PIN number. Then it tells you to remove your card. You want to remove that card and put it in a nice safe location inside your pocket. Make sure you zip it up and do not let it go out of your sight. Join FR to save 5 cents a gallon. Always join gas membership programs. But since I don't have membership and I'm too lazy to, we're not going to do that. Next, every single gas station is the same. You pick up the nozzle, shove it in your car, and always choose the cheapest option, not diesel. Diesel is not for gas cars. You want to hit the Shell regular. Now you want to go back to this side of the hose. Grasp that handle firmly and squeeze. Oh yeah. Put that little tab down. Make sure you get the tab. This will stay locked. When your gas tank is full, it'll just pop right down and no more gas will come out. It's a very handy feature for lazy teens who are too lazy to know how much gas is in their car. And next, you wait. Take a moment to admire the insane gas prices nowadays. There's no way I can afford this, but that's okay. $3.29. I'm never gonna financially recover from this. So we're gonna stop at $25. What you wanna do is squeeze the handle when you make it. Awesome sauce. And make sure you get a nice round number. I missed it. Next, you wanna grab this, give it a nice little shake. Get all the precious fuel in your tank. Slide it right where you got it from. Next, you want to get the cap, alright? You shove it in. Then you want to twist it until it clicks and it won't move. Perfect. Close the hatch, and you're ready to go.